In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop someone from calling you without blocking them on iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your contacts, and then you can use a search to search for a specific contact. I'll just tap at that one. And here, instead of tapping at block this caller, you can hit right there at edit, then scroll down to the very bottom where you can tap at delete contact and then confirm it. Then you can swipe from the top right corner to open up Control Center. There you can tap at focus to open up your focus modes, and right here you can tap at do not disturb at these three dots, then hit on settings, and then right there tap at people. And here at phone calls, you can find allowed calls from feature. By default it's set to allowed people only. You can tap on that and then select contacts only. So now while you are on do not disturb, you will be able to get calls just from your contacts. Also, there is another thing that I recommend you to do, is to open up settings, then scroll down until you find phone, and here tap at silence unknown callers and just enable this feature. So from now calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed by the recents list. So you wouldn't be able to hear call sound from persons that are not in your contact list anymore. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.